arms, feet, and legs inside. And do supervise your children. Have a jolly good day. Ciao.